the rough winter on the lights. We're gonna have to fix a few of them, and we're gonna have to hang in some more, but we do this every spring. So let's set up the landscape lighting. Stick with me. I hope this still works. That one's burnt out. That happens. What we can do about that? Look at this one here. The halogen bulb actually burned and deformed this. Don't think it was ever designed for a halogen bulb. But I think if I can find some nuts, we can put these back in, and then we can change the type of light that's being used there. Let's go to the shop, see what we can find. Okay, I found them. So let's go put it back together. Sometimes, if all you do is pay attention, you can figure out anything. And hopefully this will work out okay, because let's put one of these on here. Put one of these nuts on. Nuts that we found. I think they're going to be okay. Yep, sir. That turn out of there. Yeah. Oh yeah. A little bit of play back and forth will be okay. So that one's going to be okay. Let's tighten it up. So let's have a look at the other lights we've got. That spotlight is on. It shines up on the brick wall. It looks really nice. And then it also hits some of the... Oh, and that one's still working too. Another spotlight here. This one here, we're probably going to adjust it so it hits that plant. Everything's got a position, eh? And these ones here, these go into the waterfall. We have yet to set up. This is our underwater light. That's going to go in the waterfall when we set it up, which is soon to be too. And these lights here, the ones that were in the little rocks, really kind of cute. Yep, this one here, it's still working. We have another light here, it's working too. And the lights seem to be okay. That's going to go in a old wood burning oven that we use out here as an ornament. It's really nice too. And I have 2 lanterns to hang. The lanterns are a lot of fun. They're going to go in the tree. So let's get that started. These lights were battery powered little lanterns. They had little wee LED candles in them. They lit up very, very dim. They never really lit up anything. Once the water and the weather got into it, after a couple of years of having them, these things didn't work anymore. So they just kind of hung by the tree and just looked kind of crappy. What I ended up doing with this is dropping in a plug, plugging in one of these 12-volt lights. Put a little cork in there, just so that it'll hold the light into place, right? And that just plugs in like so. I'll pull up the wire here, push down the cork, and that's going to keep the light in position. And these wires here, I'm going to hook them onto some landscape wire in that tree. Watch this. Now these are all 12-volt lights, and I'm just hanging them on some jack chain. This is one of my favorite, and look at that light, eh? Now that's amazing. At nighttime, this cascades over our seating area. that's going to do it for the back patio. We're going to head on down to the fire pit. And this is what we call our starlight gazebo. It's just an open area where we do some entertaining. These lights, they stay up all year round. They're not ever plugged in the off season, but they stay up here. What I'm going to be doing is stringing some LED lights from our shed across this area to the trees and along the trees. So let's get these lights up. I'm going to start over there. I'm going to grab the power end here. I want the power to start here. I've got this nylon rope on it. You can see here I put a hook. I'm just going to tie a loop into this rope like that and hook it over. It took quite a bit of work to thread this rope all the way through every outlet, but it's worth it because now at least there's not going to be any sag, I hope. So let's stretch this out to the tree. So I got this ratchet strap, and basically all I've done is I've taken the rope and I've run it through the ratchet strap. I've got the strap here, and I'm just going to hook the hook in there, and then I'm just going to tighten this up. So you can go as tight as you can by hand, and then ratchet the rest. Yeah, and as we move along, the lights are in a nice straight line. I'm going to do one loop around the tree, just so that I don't put too much strain on anything. Last year when we put up these lights, this is as far as we went, to this tree. And then we did a couple of fancy little wraps and whatever, and tied it all up. I want to get these lights all the way to where the pond's going to be behind me, which looks like another 40 feet. I'm hoping that this string of lights is going to carry me there. So just stay right here. I'm walking. I think I'm okay with that. Only thing with these lights, you don't really see them turned on until it's dark. Guess what I'm doing after dark? Landscape lighting, if it's set up properly, beautifies and enhances your outdoor living spaces. There's more I need to do here. I realize that. But it sure is nice being outside at this time of night. The sun's just set. The place looks inviting. Hope you had fun putting up the lights with me. It was a great time. It's the kind of stuff you love doing, then hit the like button, subscribe. We got lots more to do this summer. Stay with me.